Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how can I get YouTube Premium on YouTube mobile. So the first you can open your YouTube app, then click on the profile, and after that you can click get YouTube Premium, then click get YouTube Premium. I still have free YouTube Premium for a month, so I want to use this free premium. Click continue, then choose your payment method here. You can choose your payment methods here, or you can add credit or debit card, or maybe redeem card, or you can click more option like adding your e-wallet, or maybe you can buy Google Play credit. After choosing the payment methods, you can click subscribe here. So this is how can I get YouTube Premium on mobile. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.